Good morning, dear children.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
What we have learned the last class?
Degradation of soil and
Soil
conversation
conversation
missions.
missions.
Soil, right? Soil is one of the most important natural resource. In last class, we discussed about the degradation of soil and conservation methods, right? What are the important factors leading to degradation of soil? Alan, Joy?
Ma'am,
Alan,
I was not there in last class.
Alan,
Overuse of chemical fertilization,
very good use of chemical fertilizers,
overgrazing by
overgrazing,
animals,
yes,
ma'am, flood,
flood, yes,
Landslide.
deforestation, landslides. These are the important factors leading to degradation of soil.
Ma'am, heavy rain.
Sorry?
And overgrazing by animals.
Yes.
Ma'am, heavy rain, soil erosion.
Heavy rain, right. Heavy rain,
Landslide.
landslides, and flood. Right?
Flood.
And after that, we have discussed about the conservation
Conservation
of
of
soil.
soil.
7 methods are given in your textbook, right?
Yes.
7 methods of soil conservation. What are they?
Mul-
What are they?
Mulching.
mulching,
Very good. Mulching.
counter barrier,
Contour barriers.
Rock dam.
rock dam,
Rock dams.
Terrace farming.
Terrace farming.
intercropping,
Intercropping.
Contour plowing.
Contour plowing. And
Shelter belts.
shelter belts.
shelter belts.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Then, today we are focusing on water. As we all know, water is a renewable natural resource, right?
Yes.
It's a renewable natural resource. Earth is known as, or Earth is called blue planet or water planet, right? Why is Earth called blue planet or
Ma'am.
water planet?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, it is covered with water. 70% of the surface is
It
covered with
covers
water.
70% of the surface of the earth, right? Then major portion of earth water is found in ocean. It means 97% of earth water is found in oceans. But ocean water, we know what is the ocean water is saline, right? We cannot use. Not fit for human use.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, a kid in 5th standard has joined.
Sorry?
Ma'am, 1 minute ago.
97% of the earth water is found in ocean. But we know ocean water is saline, not fit for human use.
Human being.
Then rest of the water in the form of ice sheets, glaciers and underground water. So from this what we understand, a very small percent of water is available as fresh water for human use, right? A very small percent of water is available as fresh water for human use. That's why water is a very precious. Water is very precious, right? Water is a renewable resource, but it's very precious. Is it clear?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Water is a renewable natural resource. Earth is called blue planet or water planet because it covers 70% of the surface of the earth. Right? But major portion of earth water is found in oceans. You all know ocean water is saline, not fit for human use.
Human use.
So, then rest of the water is in the form of ice sheets and underground water. So, a very small percent of water is available as fresh water for human use. That's why we say water as very precious.
Precious.
Is it clear?
yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Let's go through all these points. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Water is renewable resource. Earth is called blue planet or water planet because 70% of it covers 70% of the surface of the earth. The 97% of earth water is found in ocean. Ocean water is saline, not fit for human use. Then rest of the water is in the form of ice sheet, glaciers or underground water. That means a very small percent of water is available as fresh water for humans. That's why we say water is very precious.
Precious.
I hope all of you understood all these points.
Yes.
Very clear to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Then I'll show you. Okay. Then next we are going to focus on what is water cycle. Have you learned what is water cycle?
Yes.
In science, you might have learned, right?
Yes.
What is water cycle? Anyone, can you explain what is water cycle?
Ma'am, water
Yes.
from ponds
oceans
or
and rivers,
oceans,
okay.
it
Yes.
will evaporate into the air.
Yes, it will evaporate, right?
Then clouds are formed.
Clouds are formed, right?
Then precipitation, rain will.
Precipitation happens, right? I'll show you a video. I hope you can listen sound. Okay, I'll show you it. Just go through it. You will understand what is. I hope I can play this. Sometimes the system will not support videos. Not working there. As I will explain once again, listen, what is water cycle? We are focusing on what is water cycle. Here water cycle, you have to learn about water cycle because we are learning about water as a natural resource. So you should know what is water cycle. Water cycle means when the sun heat up oceans, rivers, lakes, water become water vapors and rise up in the sky, rise up in the air. This is called evaporation. Right? When this water vapors reaches up in the sky, it turn into water droplets. These water droplets mix with dust particles and gas in the atmosphere. It become or form clouds. Right? When clouds become very heavy and it cannot hold any more water, what will happen?
It will burst.
It bursts open to give out, right? It is called precipitation. Actually, this water cycle is a continuous process. Water cycle is a
Continuous process.
Okay. Then, when we think about conservation of water and water cycle, it is very important to understand that water fit for human use is very less in proportion to the availability of water on the earth. That means we are getting a very small percent of water for human use. Right?
Yes.
70% of earth's surface is covered with water, but a very small percent is available as fresh water for human use.
1%.
Right? Okay. This water cycle is a continuous process. What happened during water cycle? We have the same water that recycle and recycle. Right?
Yes.
We get
And this is what you said by meaning renewable.
Yes, that's why we call it is a renewable. Very good. That's why we call water is a renewable resource. Right?
Yes.
When, what happened during water cycle? We have the same water, recycle.
Recycling.
Yes.
Then you will ask me, why ma'am, some places, some regions in the world are facing scarcity of water, right? Definitely we will take.
Some places
are facing the problem. Scarcity of water or shortage of water. Scarcity means shortage. Shortage of water. Why some places are facing shortage of water? Do you have any idea why
Ma'am,
substances
because in the lakes and there are no water.
sorry
Water.
Ma'am, because it doesn't rain.
doesn't rain? Okay, then
Ma'am, because the country is not near any ocean.
countries not near any oceans.
Ma'am,
Okay, yes.
ma'am, water pollution.
Water pollution. Okay, then any other answers are there?
Ma'am,
So,
heat.
Heat.
Ma'am, drought.
Drought. Okay. Okay, all your answers are correct. Okay, I'll show you.
Ocean and contamination.
We all know human use huge amount of water. Every day we are using huge amount of water. Not only for drinking and household works, but also for other activities, right? For example, we use water in agriculture, right? For generating electricity. In industries, we use water, right?
Yes.
For all purposes, we need water. Then we know our population is increasing day by day, right?
Yes.
Population is increasing day by day. Our demands are also increasing. Then standard of living has increased. All these factors leading to shortage of water.
Water.
Then what is the main reason for the shortage of water is over exploitation and
and contamination.
What is contamination?
Ma'am, not using it wisely.
Not using it wisely. Then what is the meaning of it?
Ma'am, putting waste.
Putting waste, when we put waste, what will happen?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, water
pollution.
pollution.
Water pollution. What is the two main reason are over exploitation and contamination.
Contamination.
Contamination means pollution. Water pollution and over exploitation are the two important
Ma'am.
factors
Factor.
for water shortage.
Ma'am,
Is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
over exploitation means overuse, right?
Yes, overuse. That's why I told you human use huge amount of water, right?
Yes.
We are using
Yes.
huge amount of water every day. Not only for house activities, household activities, drinking, washing, cooking, cleaning.
Bathing.
Not only for that, but also other purposes, right? In agriculture,
Yes.
industries, generating
Electricity.
electricity. For all this, we use water, right? Then our population is growing day by day. Our demands are also growing day by day. So we use more water. We use a huge amount of water every day. That is overuse or over exploitation. You all know how you are using water, the way you are using water in your home, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
How water consumption is there in your home, you know, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Then, what are the two important reasons for shortage of water?
Ma'am,
Overexploitation,
Pollution and contamination.
contamination.
Contamination means water pollution. Over exploitation and water pollution. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Gino, Viju, can you explain two important factors leading to shortage of water?
And water pollution.
Water pollution and one more is there. Water pollution and who will say water pollution and
Explosion and
Ma'am,
contamination.
overexploitation.
over exploitation? Very good. Overuse of water.
Water.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next we are going to focus on what causes water pollution.
Ma'am,
Do you have
throwing
any
waste.
idea?
Ma'am, waste in the water. Throwing waste.
Chemicals throwing. Chemicals. I'll add it.
Plastic.
Rivers, lakes, and
Plastic
oceans,
bags.
right?
Plastic bags and plastic.
Yes, we throw plastic bags, plastic bottles, right? Okay, then
Waste.
Ma'am, chemical waste from factories.
Chemical waste from factories. Then many
Ma'am.
reasons are there. There are many reasons
Yes.
that cause water pollution. Let us see some important reasons for water pollution. What cause water pollution? What are they? Can you see this?
From industries.
Is it clear? Slide
Yes,
is
yes.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
First one. First important. Pollution from industrial source. What is the first point? Pollution from industrial source. That means harmful elements such as sulfur, lead and mercury, which are extremely poisonous and mixed up with freshwater bodies. Is it clear?
Yes.
First one. Second cause is pollution from household. That means waste from cities, where they dump all the sewages and waste into ocean and rivers, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then, third reason is pollution from garbage. Countries without proper disposal, without dispose their waste materials properly, they dump all the garbages and waste into the oceans, and rivers. Fourth one is pollution from oil spill. What is oil spill? What is spill? Leakage.
Ma'am, from oil factories.
Yes.
The
From
oil
ships
is-
and industries, oil leakage, right? Then,
Yes.
actually, it is a threat to marine animals.
Yes, they can't
It is really
stand.
threat to kill marine animals, and it when it mixes with the fresh water, water will get contaminated or polluted. Pollution from fossil fuel combustion. That means burning of fossil fuel. It mixes up with water vapors and it results in acid rains.
Ma'am,
Last
not
one,
clear.
Chemical fertilizers and manures. What we used in agriculture land, right?
Yes.
In agriculture land, we use many fertilizers.
Yes.
So all these fertilizers seep through the ground and mix with groundwater, fresh water.
Okay.
Okay. These are some of the causes for water pollution. Many causes are there. Try to find out more reasons for water pollution. Clear?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Here I have written down only
Ma'am.
6 or 7 points, but you can find out more points. Try to find out more causes for water pollution.
Pollution from industrial source.
Pollution from industrial source.
Pollution from households.
Pollution from household.
Pollution from garbage.
Garbage.
From garbage.
Garbage.
Pollution
Pollution from oil spills.
Oil spills.
Pollution from oil spills.
Pollution from
Fossil fuel
Pollution
combustion.
from fossil fuel combustion.
chemical
and
fertilizer.
Chemical fertilizers and
These are
pesticides.
some of the reasons that cause or some of the factors that cause water pollution. Okay, these points are not in your textbook. I'll send you notes of this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
We discussed about what cause water pollution,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
As we all know, water is a renewable resource. It's very precious. It gets contaminated because of because of our activities, right?
Yes.
Then, how can we conserve water? How can we conserve water?
Ma'am, by stopping.
You can
These
share some
7
ideas, right?
Ma'am, stop
Definitely you can share.
garbage.
Ma'am,
into
stop throwing waste in water.
Yeah. First one, stop throwing waste into water. Right, very good. Then,
And chemical.
Don't use chemical fertilizers. Use the natural ones.
don't use chemical
Chemical
fertilizers.
fertilizers.
Instead of chemical fertilizers, we can use organic fertilizers, right?
Yes.
Plastic.
Then,
Avoid plastic.
I'm
avoid
non-biodegradable.
plastic bottles, plastic covers, etc. Very good. Then,
Ma'am, industrial.
Industrial.
Ma'am, stop throwing waste
industries
from
release
industries to
Space,
rivers.
right? Okay, then.
Ma'am, dispose the waste
Dispose
properly.
all the waste material in a proper way, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't put in oceans and rivers.
Ma'am.
Dispose it properly.
Ma'am, stop fossil fuel.
Stop burning fossil fuels. Okay, very good. Then? Very good, very good. Then what we can do at home, we can do something to conserve water, right? To
Ma'am,
protect
stop
water resources.
overuse of water.
Stop overuse of water.
Stop overuse of water. Very good. How can we stop overuse of water?
Use less water.
Water that I understood. How can you?
Ma'am, water harvesting.
Water harvesting.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Very good. Conservation methods. Very good method. Rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting, Midun?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, collecting
collecting
rainwater.
rainwaters.
Collecting rainwater from the rooftop, right?
Rooftop.
Collect it in
Yes.
big tanks.
Ma'am, but sometimes mosquitoes will put egg in the water.
Properly. Close it properly. Summer season, we can use this water for irrigating our agriculture, for irrigation, right?
Yes.
Watering our
Yes.
plants.
Yes.
Then any other conservation methods, you know?
Irrigation.
Okay.
Ma'am, irrigation.
Irrigate watering plants, right?
Yes.
How can we conserve water?
No.
Yes. These are the
Forested.
methods for water conservation. Afforestation. You know it, right? What is afforestation? What is afforestation?
Ma'am, plant more trees.
Planting more trees. Very good. Second one, rainwater harvesting. You know it. What is rainwater harvesting, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then lining canals to minimize water loss by seepage. It means when we construct canals for irrigation, make sure that there will be no leakage. Then fourth one, sprinklers. Irrigation sprinklers. Have you seen sprinklers in agricultural land?
Ma'am,
Have you seen it?
ma'am, it's in my home. Here.
It's a device, right?
Device.
Yes.
Yeah,
It
it's a
spins
device
and
used to.
to water plants.
Yeah, it is a device used to irrigate plants.
Ma'am, it
Actually,
spins now.
what is the
It
use of
stopped.
it? It helps us.
Ma'am,
what is
like
the use?
a wheel, like
Yeah, use water
Ma'am,
in
it
a
spins
controlled
now.
manner, right?
Ma'am, it
It helps
spins
you
and
use water in a
it spins
controlled
and
manner.
sprinkle the water.
Sprinkle the
This is
water.
the picture of sprinkler irrigation.
yes.
Ma'am, I
Have you seen this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Next two pictures shows drip irrigation. Drip irrigation. Last two pictures show drip irrigation.
ma'am,
What is the use of drip irrigation?
ma'am, drip. It will be in a, like a small thin pipe.
Place water directly into the roots or
Plant.
yes.
Plant.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you say that lining canals to minimize water?
Yes, when we construct canals, line up the canals in a proper way and make sure that there will be no leakage. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, anyone tell me what are the methods for water conservation? Anybody?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Afforestation.
Afforestation,
Rainwater harvesting.
Harvesting.
rainwater harvesting,
lining canals to minimize water loss by leakage.
okay, line up canals to minimize the loss of water,
Sprinklers.
Sprinklers.
sprinklers,
Drip irrigation.
irrigation or follow drip irrigation in agricultural land. These are some of the methods for the conservation of water. Who will summarize today's class? Yes. What we learned? We discussed about water.
Water.
Why is water
Natural.
precious?
Precious.
Most
Renewable.
precious resources. Resource.
It is a renewable resource. Natural resource.
Stivanya,
Ma'am,
just summarize today's class.
ma'am, ocean water, half 70% of the earth is covered with water.
Yes.
Then 97% is ocean water, which is not, we cannot use it for human use.
Why?
The rest is in the form of ice sheets, glaciers, etc.
Yes.
Only a small percent is available for water, human use.
Okay.
So water is very precious. Water cycle.
Yes.
The water evaporates, becomes droplets, and they
Yes.
mix with gases and dust particles to form clouds.
Clouds.
Then, when the clouds become heavy, it precipitates and rains.
Yes.
Then, shortage of water.
What leads to a shortage of water?
Humans use huge amount of water for
Yes.
drinking, agriculture, etc. Increasing population, urbanization, and standard of living are main reasons for water shortage. Overexploitation and water pollution cause water shortage. And then pollution from industrial source, pollution from households, pollution from garbage, pollution from oil spills, pollution from fossil fuel composition, chemical fertilizers and pesticides. How to conserve water? Afforestation, rainwater harvesting, sprinklers, drip irrigation, lining canals to minimize water loss by leakage.
Okay, very good, very good. I hope all of you understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to study explanation also. Then some explanations are not there in the textbook. I'll send you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.